This was me almost 3 months ago. That was 2 days out from an ATV accident that left me with a traumatic brain injury with short-term and long-term memory loss. But the craziest thing is what I didn't forget. Some of you have noticed that this eye is still kind of bruisey, so I thought I'd hop on and tell you what happened. For the record, this is just a regular old eye bag because I have 4 kids and I work 4 jobs. But anyways, back to the accident. I had a helmet on, but ended up breaking my collarbone into 1, 2, 3 pieces, which I ended up getting surgery on, but that's a story for another day. But as you can see from these facial abrasions, I hit my head pretty hard and ended up with a moderate concussion and that memory loss I was talking about. Seriously, I was on a 20-second loop of what I could remember, and my husband actually ran out of funny things to tell me. I couldn't remember that I had weaned my baby 2 months before, and I couldn't remember that we went to Costa Rica 2 years before. It was devastating every time I remembered what I couldn't remember. And what I can kind of remember is that I spent most of the time just sobbing my eyes out about not being able to remember things. But the most amazing thing is what I didn't forget. In the chaos of the accident, I landed flat on my back, and my husband, who's a paramedic, did a quick assessment of me and sat me up. The accident is still kind of a blur for him, but what he does remember is that I was doing my birth breathing. Yes, really deep, low moaning breaths that get me through labor. Over the course of my 4 unmedicated births, I've spent about 30 hours just breathing through the pain, and my brain knows exactly where it needs to go when it feels hard, sharp, deep pain. I've spent months preparing for childbirth, and now my brain knows exactly what to do, even when I can't remember basic things like whether or not I weaned my baby. In this study done by BMC Pregnancy and Childbirth, they found that women who practiced their skilled breathing and relaxation before giving birth actually had higher rates of confidence during birth and a greater sense of being in control during labor. So what do you think? Would you rather feel like you're in control during labor, or would you rather hand it over to your care team? I know what I'm choosing next time.